Struggling to write an abstract that actually gets your paper read? Most students mess this up, and it costs them grades, citations, and confidence. An abstract isn't just a summary. It's your paper's handshake, headline, and highlight reel, all in 150 to 250 words. Today, I'll show you exactly how to write an abstract that grabs attention and gets results. We'll break it down step by step, so it's easy, powerful, and maybe even fun. Stick around till the end, because the final tip is something 90% of writers forget. Chapter 1. What even is an abstract? Is an abstract just an introduction? Nope. And confusing them ruins your first impression. An abstract is a brief summary of your entire research paper, but it's not just a teaser, it's a mini version of your full study. It should include your goal, method, results, and conclusion. Think of it as a movie trailer, but for your research. Chapter 2. Know the purpose. Before you write a single word, ask yourself this: who's reading it and why? The abstract helps readers decide, should I read this whole paper? It's used in journals, conferences, and databases, so keep it clear, specific, and informative. Write for your future reader who's busy and curious. Chapter 3. Write it last. Want to waste hours writing an abstract? Easy, write it first. Always write your abstract after you finish the paper. Why? Because you don't fully know your results or structure yet. Once your paper is solid, your abstract becomes 10 times easier to write and more accurate. Chapter 4. Start with the problem. Hook your reader in the first sentence. Here's how. Begin your abstract with the research problem or question. What gap are you filling? What's the issue at stake? Make it clear, relatable, and urgent. Example. Despite growing use of AI in education, its effect on student creativity remains unclear. Chapter 5. Mention your method. How did you get your answers? Say it fast, say it clear. Briefly state your research method. Was it a survey, a lab experiment, a case study? Readers need to know how you explored the problem, but keep it short, 1 to 2 lines max. Chapter 6. Share key results. Your results are the headline. Don't bury them. Include the most important result or finding. Don't say, results are discussed. Actually share what you found. Example. Students using AI-assisted writing tools showed 25% more creativity in essays. Chapter 7. End with the conclusion. Don't leave your abstract hanging, give it a final punch. Wrap it up by explaining what your results mean. Did your study confirm or challenge something? What's the takeaway? End on a clear insight. These findings suggest AI tools can boost creativity when used reflectively. Chapter 8. Respect the word. Limit. More words, not equal more impact. Here's what matters instead. Stay within the limit, usually 150 to 250 words. Too short? You miss context. Too long? You lose readers. Tip. Write long first, then trim like a sculptor. Chapter 9. Cut the fluff. Cutting one word can make your abstract stronger. Want proof? Avoid filler. It is important to note, or this paper seeks to, use clear, direct language. Challenge. Remove 10% of your words without losing meaning. It'll read smoother, guaranteed. Chapter 10. Don't include references. Tempted to name-drop famous researchers? Don't. Abstracts don't need citations or literature reviews. No quotes, no references, no according to Smith, 2019. Save that for the main body. Keep the abstract focused on your study. Chapter 11. Use active voice. Passive voice makes you sound unsure. This one switch fixes that. Instead of, the data was analyzed, say, we analyzed the data. Active voice makes your writing direct and confident. It also cuts word count. Chapter 12. Think like a reader. Want your abstract to pop? Stop writing like an author. Think like the reader. Ask, what would make me curious to keep reading? Use specific nouns and strong verbs. Replace important findings with a 32% increase in accuracy. Chapter 13. Add a dash of novelty. Why should your abstract stand out in a sea of thousands? Highlight what's new, what's surprising, what's different. Even a small twist, like your location, your method, or your focus group, can make it unique. Example: unlike prior studies, this research focused on rural schools in sub-Saharan Africa. Chapter 14. Check the type of abstract. Not all abstracts are created equal. Know your type or risk a rewrite. There are two main types: descriptive, brief overview, no results, rare. Informative, full summary with methods, results, and conclusion, most common. Always check your journal or university guidelines. Chapter 15. Test it out loud. Want to instantly know if your abstract works? Read it out loud. When you hear your words, awkward phrases jump out. You'll catch long sentences, repetition, and unclear points. Bonus tip: read it to a friend and ask, "Does this make sense?" If yes, you're ready. Chapter 16. Avoid abstract buzzwords. One word can ruin your abstract, and it's probably in yours right now. Words like various, several, or significant sound smart, but they mean nothing. Be precise. Instead of significant results, say a 35% increase in reading speed. Clarity greater than fancy. Mini challenge: cut 3 vague words from your abstract. Replace them with real numbers or concrete terms. Chapter 17. Turn your title into a teaser. Want your abstract to get read? Your title must spark curiosity. A dry title kills interest. A well-crafted title invites reading. Use power words: hidden, unexpected, breakthrough, revealed. Bad: a study on social media. Better: how social media rewires the teenage brain, a behavioral study. Try this: add one emotional or curiosity word to your current title. Chapter 18. Start with the end. Start your abstract with the ending. Yep, it works. Grab attention by stating your key result first, then explain how you got there. It flips the script and gets readers invested. Example: this study found a 42% drop in stress using guided journaling. Then go into methods and background. Chapter 19. Use the 5W1H technique. Journalists use this trick and it makes abstracts impossible to skip. Answer these quickly: who, what, when, where, why, how. If your abstract touches all 6, you've covered everything that matters. Pro tip: use bullets in your draft to check coverage. Chapter 20. Skip the obvious. Stop wasting space on things everyone already knows. Don't start your abstract with general info like education is important. Jump into your specific angle or problem. Every line should be new, useful, or unexpected. Chapter 21. Embrace the power sentence. One sentence, all impact. Can you write it? This is your elevator pitch line in the abstract. What is the most impressive or surprising outcome of your research? Write it in one punchy sentence. Place it right before your conclusion. Chapter 22. Watch for word count traps. This tiny detail could get your paper rejected. Most journals limit abstracts to 150 to 250 words. Don't waste them. Don't exceed them. Use online word counters and aim for impact per word. Chapter 23. Create a one-line summary. First, before you write 200 words, can you write just one line? Boil your research down to a one-sentence core idea. If you can't do that, your abstract will be unfocused. Use that line as your compass. Chapter 24. Think like a movie trailer. Your abstract isn't a summary, it's a trailer. Like trailers, abstracts should tease the best parts without giving it all away. You're not telling the whole story, you're pulling readers in. Keep a little suspense. Chapter 25. Use reverse outlining. Want a shortcut to a strong abstract? Work backward. Read your paper, list the 3 to 4 key takeaways. Now write your abstract from those notes. No fluff, no side roads, just highlights. Chapter 26, Imagine the reader is a teen. Could a 16-year-old understand your abstract? If not, it might be too dense. Good abstracts are clear even to non-specialists, right for curiosity, not complexity. Chapter 27, Swap jargon for clarity. Big words don't impress, they confuse. Terms like epistemological frameworks only work if your reader knows them. Prefer simple synonyms unless the jargon is essential. Test. Ask a friend outside your field to read it. Chapter 28, Say what others missed. This one sentence can make your abstract irresistible. Say what gap your research fills. Example, previous studies ignored female participants. This study fixes that. It shows originality and gives readers a reason to care. Chapter 29, Add a micro call to action. Want readers to click your paper? End strong. In your last line, hint why it matters. Example, these findings could help reduce dropout rates by 20%. That's not a conclusion, it's a reason to explore further. Chapter 30, Test it with the skim test. Can someone understand your abstract in 10 seconds? Skim test your abstract. Can you grab attention, explain the work, and show its value at a glance? If not, tighten it. Make the first and last lines unforgettable. Still here? Then you're already ahead of 90% of writers. You've just unlocked the blueprint for writing abstracts that actually get read, shared, and cited. Most people stop at just okay, but you now know how to go from vague to powerful, from boring to binge-worthy. But hey, if you're still feeling stuck or you want experts to review or polish your abstract, check out proUKwritings.co.uk. We are trusted by students and researchers for writing support that's clear, ethical, and academic grade. You don't need perfect English to write a perfect abstract, you just need purpose, clarity, and now you've got both.